In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to edit a background image to use in CreateStudio or any other video creation software for your 3D character. I'll be working with an image from Pixabay and guide you through the steps to make it stage ready. Alright, let's get started with the first step, downloading a background image from Pixabay. I'll be using an image that I've created myself, which you can find on my profile. The link is in the description. Once you've downloaded the background image, the next step is to create a second image that we can use to place the character behind the lectern. This will allow us to position the character realistically within the scene. To do this, I'll use Adobe Photoshop by simply cutting out the lectern. First, I'll open the background image. Next, I'll select the Object Selection tool. When you hover over the lectern, you can see the selection. Just click on the lectern and then click on the Layer Mask option. Now let's export this image with a transparent background. Click on File, then Export, and choose Export As. Next, select PNG as the file format. Check the box for transparency and click Export to save. Alright, we're done with the Photoshop part. Now let's open CreateStudio. First, click on New Projects to get started. Then, go to the Media tab and click on Import Media to bring in the images. Now drag both images onto the timeline. Make sure to extend the images to fit the canvas. Next, let's add the 3D character. Click on 3D Creator and drag your character onto the timeline. To position it correctly, right-click on the timeline. Select Add Track below, and then drag your character into this new track between the background images. Use the resizing handles to adjust its size and position it correctly within the scene. Now let's bring some life to the image using the masking option. I'm going to start drawing a shape that will serve as a mask for our background. To do this, click on the plus icon and select the pen tool. When drawing the shape with the pen tool, you'll need to click Zoom and drag to get control. Make sure to switch to the hand tool when you need to drag, and then click back on the cursor tool to continue drawing. Once you've connected all the lines and created your shape, be sure to set the border width to 0. This will remove any visible outline from the shape, leaving only the masked area ready for your video. Now, click on the Media tab and select Pixabay. In the search bar, type in the background you want. For this video, I'm going to look for a galaxy background. Once you've found your video, click on Download. Then click on the Media tab again and drag the video onto your timeline. Make sure that the shape's length matches the length of the video. Now resize the video and position it so that it perfectly covers the shape you've created. Next, select the shape in your video on the timeline. Then, right-click and choose Mask. The final step is to place the masked video behind your character. To do this, right-click on the timeline, add a track below your character, and then drag the video to that new track. For the final editing touch, I'm going to add some light to the glowing border of the stage using the masking option again. Alright, the last and final step to bring life to your background is to check the timeline and ensure everything is the same length. Now that the background is ready, you can start editing your message and publish it as a video once you're finished. If you'd like to use the files from this tutorial, you can download them for free on my Pixabay profile or in our video creation club on Facebook. Feel free to join our community to learn more, share, and connect with other creators. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and drop a comment with what you'd like to see next.